Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Carfax has certified this Silverado 2500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 35,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, cruise control, passenger airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.